cousins, welcome back to the channel. Hey y'all. So this is a part of our Back to the Basics series that we're doing. And honey, we are talking trends. That's right. Summer trends that you can definitely fit into your current wardrobe. And should you be rocking any of these trends? To all of my cousins who are new here on this channel, honey, my name is Shauna T. And baby, we talk about plus size fashion, we talk about Jesus and everything in between, and just living life over 40, honey, and having fun while doing it. So do me a couple, two, three things, honey. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and make sure that you comment in the comment section down below. Because baby, I am going to talk back. But let's go ahead and jump in today's video. We are talking trends, honey. And should you be rocking some of these trends in your current wardrobe? Do you have some of them? And I know some of y'all probably think a lot of times, man, should I jump on the trend or not? Now, in my personal opinion, I say yes, because trends actually keep you up to date when it comes to fashion and styling and dressing yourself. And you can always go in and incorporate a trend into your current wardrobe, honey. And it doesn't have to be overly dramatic and do all the things. It could be little subtle things that you add to your wardrobe. One of my favorites right now is jorts. How many of y'all remember jorts? Yes, honey. These are really like a 90s things. Where are my 90s people at, right? So if you grew up in the 90s like I did, jorts were really big back then. They actually kind of like oversized and baggy. And can I tell y'all something? I honestly did not know the difference between jorts and also Bermuda shorts until I went and did a little research on that. And so here's what I found. Jorts are really more baggy and loose fitting, whereas when it comes to Bermuda shorts are more tailored to your body. So that was something that I learned. And honey, if you didn't know it, I just learned you something, okay? Now, one of the first people that I actually saw rocking these, honey, and I was influenced when she had them on, and that is Miss Ruby. I'm going to pop a picture of her up and also her Instagram. Baby, when I saw these shorts on her, I was like, girl, go get you some immediately. I was heavily influenced when I saw her rocking these shorts, okay? So I was like, yes, ma'am, serve the people with the trench coat. Like, I just love the whole ensemble and look, and I absolutely went to go and purchase me some. Now, y'all, you can find jorts at Ashley stores, and y'all don't sleep on Old Navy, okay? Also at ASOS has them. And then for my cousins who have actually never even worn jorts, honey, go to Rainbow, go to Shein. That way you can go in and try out these without spending all the high dollars on these jorts, honey. You can get them at a low cost. Shein, even try Amazon as well to pick you up some jorts. Now, these are just a couple of more ways that I saw as I was researching when it came to jorts. Like, you can rock the jorts in more of a street style aesthetic if that is your thing, honey. And I definitely can go in and rock a street style aesthetic. So I probably will go in and be styling me some up this that way as well. So jorts are really fun. Now, I did go in and I saw this look right here, y'all. These are actually more of like a Bermuda style, but I was like, I've got to show my cousins this. Now, even though she is not plus size, I absolutely love how she went in and styled these Bermuda shorts. The burgundy and the white with the bag and the glasses. Y'all, it is giving I am grown woman status, okay? That's what it's giving. It's giving I am grown woman status. So that, if more of your style, honey, I definitely recommend that you tap into that as well. Get you some jorts or either get you some Bermuda shorts, honey. This is a trend for, especially for all of my cousins. It's going to help cover up the cellulite for those of you who don't like to show your cellulite, but you enjoy wearing shorts as well. Another one of my favorite trends right now, y'all, is Fringe. Honey, listen, Eloquy is right now really doing it when it comes to Fringe, y'all. Now, I actually own 2 Fringe pieces that I picked up from Eloquy last year, and both of these dresses, y'all, are still available on the website. I actually have this dress in orange And I also have this dress in the white color, honey. And anytime that I wear either one of these dresses, I get tons of compliments in this dress. So the fringe is making it do what it do. Now there is another piece that's on Eloquii that I am absolutely eyeing, honey, which is this pant set with this fringe top. It's giving elegance. It's like a white creamy type. Now where I'm gonna wear it to, I don't know. But I definitely think that this piece can work for you as well when it comes to you going to maybe a wedding or a reception or any type of all white party that you can go to this summer. I think this fringe piece would definitely go in and stand out. And then also just the patterns in the fringe. Oh, baby, I am loving it all. Now, Eloquii has another piece, honey, which is this fringe top. It is definitely giving sexy. Yes, it's giving sexy with this fringe top. And y'all, it's black. Okay, so why not get it? Because it's black. You can definitely put this on and wear it alone by itself. You can put it on up under a blazer. You can wear it with jeans. You can pair this piece with so many different things, honey, because it is what? It is black. So definitely go in and check out Eloquii, honey, when it comes to the fringe as well. Now, y'all listen, I know y'all be going back and forth and like to tussle when it comes to Shein, but Shein actually has some really cute fringe pieces at a really affordable rate that you don't have to break the bank on. So definitely go in and make sure that you check out Shein as well when it comes to fringe. Also, y'all, Ashley Stewart's has a beautiful green fringe dress, and I am going to tell you that I ordered it, and I did, right? I did go in and ordered it. It has not came in yet, but this dress is perfect for the summertime. Y'all, I absolutely love it, honey. It is giving fun and vibrant, and it's all because of the color itself. So Ashley Stewart's definitely has a couple of more fringe pieces that you guys can definitely go in and check out. And I don't want y'all to be sleeping on ASOS. If you've never ordered from ASOS plus size section, definitely go and check out ASOS as well. They have a bunch of fringe pieces that you can go in and shop from. Next on my list, y'all, is polka dots. Now, honey, y'all should have some polka dots in y'all wardrobes. Now, this first dress that I'm actually going to show you is a dress that's from Pretty Little Things. And I actually purchased this dress last year from Pretty Little Things, honey. And I absolutely love the dress. So here are my thoughts on it, okay? Right in the boob area, it's just a tad bit too big. So it's something that you can go in and just take in a little bit. So that way it is going to be fitting on you and it's not going to be falling over. Other than that, y'all, I absolutely love the dress. I got the dress in a size 24. I love the sleeves on the dress, and the reason why is because for any of you that are self-conscious when it comes to your arms, honey, those big poofy sleeves, guess what? It's going to cover all of that up. So you don't have to be worried about your arms. And overall, the dress is just sexy within itself. Now on me, it does fall a little bit longer because if y'all don't know, my height is 5'5". So for all of my cousins who are a little taller than me, yours is not going to fall like that, of course. But I wanted to let you guys know about that little tidbit if you decided to go in and order this dress from Pretty Little Things. Again, I ordered mine in a size 24. So just keep in consideration right up in the boob area, it is a little too big, so it will kind of fall over, which all you have to do is just go in and take it in. Now, Fashion Nova has some polka dot, and this dress right here, y'all, I was like, now this is really elegant and also cute. It's giving wedding vibes, right? It's long, it's flowy. I love the bow tie when it comes to the straps, how the straps tie in a bow. So that's why I say this particular dress is actually giving me wedding vibes, because I could definitely see me going in and rocking this to a wedding. And also it's a long flowy maxi dress. Now, when I did look at the reviews on this dress, Fashion Nova actually had really good reviews on this particular dress. So if this is your style, honey, you may want to go in and pick this up. Now, this next piece is Eloquii. Let me tell y'all something. Eloquii been doing the thing, okay? Eloquii is doing the damn thing. Now, this polka dot skirt, it is definitely giving me Church of God in Christ. I am holy because it is long, but I love the skirt. I love the skirts, y'all. Now you can definitely go in and pair this polka dot because it's the big polka dots. You can definitely go in and pair this polka dot like with stripes or other loud and bold colors with this particular skirt. And for all of my cousins who love them a good long flowy maxi skirt, this one is just for you. Now, the next dress, y'all, is also from Eloquii as well, honey. And I have seen this dress float all over the internet from many different influencers, honey, to the point to where I am just about influenced myself to go and pick up this dress, okay? Because the dress is absolutely beautiful. It is giving vacay vibes. It is getting wedding vibes. It is giving date night vibes. Like just the dress itself, y'all, is elegance alone. You can rock this black and white dress and it can stay in your wardrobe for a length of time. So this is not one of those things, oh, I'm just going to buy this because it's trending right now. No, ma'am. This particular dress can definitely stay in your wardrobe for a length of time. So y'all have to let me know how y'all feel about the polka dots. Do you have some in your wardrobe, or is something that you think of, that you can go and also pick up? Now we're going to talk about color. This buttered yellow color has been floating all over. I have been seeing it all over to the point to where I have actually went and purchased me some buttered yellow pieces. Now they have not came in yet, but I did. And the first one that I'm going to start with is Old Navy. Y'all don't sleep on Old Navy, okay? Don't sleep on Old Navy. Now I went and purchased this cropped buttered yellow button down shirt because I have a few ideas on how I want to wear this, honey, in my head. So when I get it, I'm gonna style it up for y'all and come and show you all. But this is just a simple buttered yellow shirt that you can go in and grab. Now, Old Navy as well also has the full length button down buttered yellow shirt if you wanted to go in and add to your wardrobe, especially if you're going into the office and you want to be trendy and on trend with different things. So consider that as well if the crop is not your style. Now, this next piece I was in love with when I saw it on ASOS website. This is a buttered yellow cropped blazer with some high-waisted wide leg pants. I was like, where are we wearing this to? Like, I absolutely love this look, y'all. Now, if you've never shopped at ASOS, ASOS does go up to a size 26 in their plus size clothing. But this suit is just like really nice and tailored and flowy. Definitely good for any of my cousins who are still going into the office and you have to wear those dress work clothes, right? This is perfect for that. Or even for my cousins who have business meetings. This is a great photo shoot piece too, y'all. You can actually take pictures in this, but this right here, just the tailored and then the gold accents that's in it. I absolutely love this, y'all. I didn't buy it, but I do like it. And I wanted to bring it to you all just to kind of show you how you can jazz it up just a little with this butter yellow that is trending for the summer. Now, these next couple of pieces that I am going to show you are dresses. These dresses are from Fashion Nova. Now, don't fight me when it comes to Fashion Nova, but these are really elegant, y'all. These are giving wedding vibes, after five. Maybe you're going to a summer day party that requires you to go in and have an elegant look. And what I really love about them is that they are a maxi length, because I know a lot of my cousins love those good long and flowy maxi dresses during the summer time. And when I saw these two, I was like, you know what? These are super cute to go in and bring to you all because they're just really cute. One, of course, is just a halter dress, honey, which I love a good halter myself. This halter dress, it can be worn for date night and many other occasions as well. And then this second one, it's definitely giving wedding vibes as well with the one shoulder on it and then the long train. I can definitely see this being worn to a wedding or either a summer after five event. So y'all have to let me know, honey, do you have some buttered yellow in your closet, and will you be adding this to your closet if you don't have it? Now, honey, we cannot talk about trends. I mean, it's giving everything boots on the ground to Beyonce with the Cowboy Carter tour that she's on right now. And yes, honey, we are talking Western wear, okay? Western wear is trending so hard at this present moment. So, honey, if you don't have any Western pieces in your closet, I don't know what you are waiting on. You going to the trail rides and everything. So, y'all, here are a few of my favorite influencers rocking their Western wear. The first one is Miss Morgan. Now, y'all, let me tell y'all something. When I saw her post and I saw these pants, I was like, oh, to the M to the G. Like, she served to the gods. This look I absolutely love, honey. I love it from the hat to the bustier to the shorts to the the tights that she has on up under here, honey, and the pants just themselves, y'all. It just touched my heart. Because I was like, serve the girls. You hear me? Serve the girls. But this was one of my favorite looks that she wears, y'all. So I absolutely love this. And if I'm not mistaken, she was going to the Beyonce concert in this look. Now, my second one is Miss Kristen. She served to the gods in this all black look. It was a Western wear look, honey, with a chain that was around the waist. She showed just a little bit of her midsection, honey. I was like, yes, ma'am. And the tatas was out. I was like, you better serve the people from the left to the right, okay? So those are just some of my few favorite influencers that I saw rocking the Western wear. I'm pretty sure they were going to like the Beyonce concert with this on. Now, I did go in and pull some other Western wear like from Boohoo, and even don't sleep on Amazon as well when it comes to plus size fashion and Western wear. They do have a lot of pieces to offer. But this particular piece that I pulled from Boohoo, I was like, okay, with the cow print, I'm digging it. I absolutely loved this cow print that I actually went in and pulled from Boohoo, y'all. And if you've never shopped at Boohoo, Boohoo does offer plus sizes as well. So, cousins, if y'all are up under a rock and you don't have no Western wear, honey, get you a cowboy hat, get you some boots, honey, because the boots on the ground, where them fans at? Ow, where them fans at? Ow, where them fans at? Like that song. Let me know, will you be adding any of these trends to your current wardrobes, honey? If you not, I think that you should. If nothing else, add some of the classic pieces like the polka dot and also the fringe to your current wardrobe. Now, I do have a list of different trends that are linked down below, and also the stores that you guys can go and shop them from that are in plus sizes as well. So don't worry, honey. I have everything that I mentioned here in the video. And then a couple of more other trends as well, as like the stripes trend that's actually going around right now that I think that's absolutely cute, honey. And also the gingham trend. If you guys don't know anything about the gingham trend, I know y'all be like, I don't want to look like a picnic table. I don't want to look like a napkin or whatever, some curtains. Listen, don't knock it until you try it. So I do have those trends linked down below with the links for you guys to go in and take a look at, and if you want to shop the closet for those trends. So, cousin, I hope you guys have enjoyed this Back to the Basics series where we were talking about trends, and yes, you should implement trends into your current wardrobe if you are not. And cousins, as I tell y'all always, honey, make sure that you walk in every room boldly and confidently, honey, and make sure that you own it. Why? Baby, because you belong there. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.